Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start in Settings because this is where Windows stores appearance controls. Open Start, click the gear, and choose Personalization. This opens themes and colors. Once done, select Colors on the left. This is the first actionable area. Make sure you are on Windows 10 build 1903 or later, since older builds hide some options. If a corporate policy limits changes, request admin access or try a local account briefly. This gets you directly into the interface, so you can change Taskbar color next. Now you choose the color and enable accents so the taskbar responds. Scroll to Colors, then pick a color from the palette or click Custom Color for precise RGB values. Make sure to enable Show Accent Color on the following surfaces and check the taskbar box. Once checked, the accent applies immediately. If you want translucency, toggle transparency effects. Note that high contrast themes override accents. If the color looks wrong, try switching between light and dark in background to see how tones change. Finish by confirming the selection and testing persistence. Sign out and back in, or restart, to ensure the taskbar keeps the color. If it does not, make sure no group policy or registry restriction blocks personalization. Check gpedit. MSC or the key HKCU/software/Microsoft/current version/themes/themes/personalize. Also confirm you are not using a theme that forces default colors. Troubleshooting tip: if changes are rejected, create a new local admin user and test there. This isolates profile corruption quickly so you can restore settings safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.